Go home happy with the 2018 Toyota Camry. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, alarm. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.